Margaret stood frozen in her kitchen. The cold air from the open fridge did nothing to calm the strong fear that flared in her chest. She looked at the familiar jars and containers, their bright colors ablur. But her mind was totally blank. She'd walked in for something specific, a simple everyday task, but now the reason had completely vanished, leaving her feeling lost in her own kitchen. Her heart wasn't just beating fast, it was pounding, a loud drum against the growing emptiness. In her mind, a chilling question echoed in the sudden silence. Is this just another senior moment, the kind where I sometimes forget a name or appointment, but remember it later? Or is this something more serious, a deeper, sneaky fog that signals a lasting, irreversible change? The fear was real, the dread of not just losing her keys, but forgetting she even has them, or asking the same question again and again as if the conversation had never happened because she completely forgot the whole talk. The chilling thought that this wasn't a temporary cloud, but a sign of potentially losing the ability to handle her money, cook a usual meal, or even find her way around her own street. If you're over 60, you've probably had moments like Margaret's. That sudden fog where words disappear, names vanish, or you forget why you walked into a room. But here's what many seniors don't realize. There's a big difference between everyday brain fog and early dementia signs, and knowing these differences could save you years of unnecessary worrying, or help you catch something important early. Today, I'm sharing 5 key differences that every senior should understand. Let's start with what these 2 conditions actually are, because understanding this will help you understand everything else. Brain fog is like having a cloudy windshield on your mind. It's temporary, can often go away, and is usually caused by things like poor sleep, stress, or medicine side effects. Think of it as your brain running on low power. Dementia, on the other hand, involves real changes in how your brain works and is built. It gets worse over time, and it really affects daily life in ways brain fog doesn't. Before we dive into the specifics of memory, timing, and language, here's what I always tell my patients, and what medical professionals like Dr. Lynn Shindo at OHSU look at first. The main difference is how these memory changes affect what you do every day. This is the main difference that truly separates brain fog from something more concerning. Now, let's dive into the 5 key differences that can help you tell them apart. With brain fog, you might forget where you put your keys, but you'll remember that you were looking for them. You might walk into a room and forget why, but you'll remember that you had a reason. Sometimes, it's like occasionally forgetting names or appointments, but remembering them later. With dementia, the memory problems are more serious. You might forget that you even have keys, or repeatedly ask the same question within minutes because you don't remember asking it before. The Mayo Clinic notes that dementia affects not just recent memory, but can also affect old memories and the ability to make new ones at all. Memory problems in dementia will stay longer and start to affect daily life. Here's a simple test. If you can think back to what you were doing before the memory lapse, it's likely brain fog. If you completely forget everything about it, that's worth discussing with your doctor. Brain fog comes and goes like weather patterns. You might feel sharp in the morning, but cloudy after lunch. Maybe you're clear on good sleep days, but foggy when stressed. It changes. Dementia symptoms are more steady and slowly get worse. While there might be good days and bad days, the main pattern is a slow worsening rather than the up and down pattern of brain fog. Pay attention to patterns in your own experience. Do your memory issues happen at certain times, in certain situations, or when you feel a certain way? If so, brain fog is more likely. This is very important. Brain fog might make you feel slower or less sharp, but you can still handle your daily routines. You might need to write things down more or take extra time, but you can still handle your money, cook meals you know well, and find your way around places you know. Typical age-related changes might include sometimes making mistakes with money or occasionally needing help with microwave settings. But here's what I specifically ask my patients. drawing from what leading neurologists like Dr. Lin Shinto at OHSU and the National Institute on Aging point out. Are you now having trouble with things you used to do easily, like following a familiar recipe you've made hundreds of times, handling your monthly bills without errors, or even finding your way in a neighborhood you've known for years? Memory loss that makes daily life hard might be a sign of Alzheimer's or other dementia. Dementia slowly stops you from doing daily activities. If memory issues are really making your daily life and independence difficult, that's when a professional checkup becomes urgent. Dr. Shinto asks patients if they have stopped working, handling household money, doing household tasks, or stopped social activities they used to do. These changes in how you function, along with memory issues, could mean it's more than just brain fog. With brain fog, you might sometimes struggle to find the right word, like when it's on the tip of your tongue. You know the word exists, you just can't grab it right now. But your overall communication stays clear. Dementia affects language differently. People might use strange words, have trouble following conversations, or repeat stories without realizing it. Harvard Health Publishing notes that language changes in dementia often involve losing the meaning of words, not just forgetting them for a bit. People with dementia may have trouble with words, naming common objects, or use the wrong name like calling a watch a hand clock. If you're having trouble finding words, but can still explain what you mean in other ways, that's typically brain fog. If what you mean isn't clear, consider speaking with a healthcare provider. Now, here's maybe the most hopeful difference, and what I want every senior to understand. Brain fog often gets much better when you fix the root causes. As a health expert, I've seen countless times how fixing underlying issues, like not enough sleep, too much stress, depression, certain medicine side effects, thyroid problems, not enough vitamins like B12, or even not drinking enough water, can make your mind much clearer. Poor thinking and memory problems are very common with depression, and for many, treating depression makes brain fog symptoms go away. Dementia symptoms don't go away with these lifestyle changes, though they might slow down how fast it gets. Worse, while healthy habits are always good, they won't clear up true dementia symptoms the way they can with brain fog. Through this, focus on getting better sleep, reducing stress, and staying hydrated for 2 weeks. If your mental clarity improves a lot, brain fog was likely the problem. Before we continue, I'm curious, have you noticed any patterns in your own memory challenges? Are they worse at certain times of day or in specific situations? Share your experience in the comments below. When to seek help. Don't wait until symptoms are very bad. If you're concerned about changes in your thinking, memory, or daily functioning, speak with your healthcare provider. Getting checked early can ease your mind or find problems when they can be best treated. For additional support, organizations like the Alzheimer's Association offer excellent resources and helplines. A simple online search for Dementia Helpline in your country will connect you with local experts who can help. Your regular doctor is often the first stop, but specialists like neurologists or geriatric psychiatrists might also be needed. The good news about brain fog. This is why I consistently tell my patients, if you're experiencing these changes, don't just accept it. See it as an important sign to get checked, because the good news is, many of these problems can be completely fixed with the right medical checkup and changes. Common reasons include medicine problems, sleep problems, depression, thyroid issues, lack of vitamins like B12, or even not drinking enough water. A full medical checkup, including a physical exam and lab tests, can often find and fix these issues. Supporting your brain health, whether you're dealing with brain fog or concerned about preventing dementia. Certain things support overall brain health. These include regular exercise, quality sleep, social connections, mental challenges, and a heart-healthy diet. Challenging your brain with work, volunteering, or learning something new like playing an instrument might lower your risk of dementia. However, It's not clear if brain games truly help, as playing the same games often might not fully activate your brain. Let's recap those 5 key differences. Brain fog affects remembering things you already know, while dementia affects making new memories. Brain fog comes and goes, while dementia slowly gets worse. Brain fog lets you keep doing daily activities, while dementia increasingly stops you from doing them. Brain fog causes temporary trouble finding words, while dementia affects understanding language. And finally, brain fog often gets better with lifestyle changes, while dementia needs different approaches. Remember, forgetting some things as we age is normal. The key is understanding when changes need attention and when they're likely just a normal part of getting older. You have more power over your brain health than you might think. If this video helped clarify the difference between brain fog and dementia, I'd love for you to subscribe to MindStrong After 60. We're building a community of seniors who want practical, science-based information about staying mentally sharp and confident as we age. And because protecting your brain often starts the moment you wake up, it's critical that you watch our next video. In it, a neurologist reveals the one morning habit that can raise your stroke risk overnight. It's an urgent warning every senior needs to hear. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, your brain is remarkably strong at any age.